Ever heard that changing your car's oil every 3,000 miles is an absolute must? Well, this isn't necessarily true. This rule is a relic from the past, as modern cars and oils have evolved, allowing for longer intervals between changes. So, if it's not every 3,000 miles, then when should you change your oil? Contrary to popular belief, the timing for an oil change depends on several factors. It's not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. Let's dive into the specifics. Firstly, the type of oil you use matters. Synthetic oil, for instance, lasts longer than conventional oil. Secondly, the make and model of your car play a significant role. Some cars are designed to go longer between oil changes, while others might require more frequent attention. Driving conditions are another key factor. Harsher conditions such as extreme temperatures or heavy stop-and-go traffic can accelerate oil degradation. Lastly, your driving habits can impact oil longevity. If you're a high-speed highway cruiser or a slow-moving city dweller, your oil change needs could vary. Most importantly, always check your vehicle's manual for the manufacturer's recommended oil change interval. This is the best guideline to follow to ensure your car remains in top-notch condition. Remember, changing your oil too frequently doesn't necessarily do your car any good. You might be wondering, why bother with oil changes at all? Well, consider oil as the lifeblood of your engine. It lubricates moving parts to reduce friction, cools down the engine to prevent overheating, and cleans away dirt and debris. But over time, oil deteriorates and loses its effectiveness. This can lead to increased wear, overheating, and even engine damage. In a nutshell, regular oil changes are crucial to keep your car running smoothly and to extend its lifespan. So, what should you take away from all of this? The 3,000-mile rule is a relic. The timing for oil changes varies, influenced by several factors. Regular changes, though, are crucial for your car's performance and lifespan. Stay informed and keep your car happy with timely oil changes.